how to use a protractor. The two main reasons we'd use a protractor are to measure an angle or to draw an angle of a particular size. So, this is a protractor, and you'll see the important parts are it's got a little crosshair here with a horizontal line along here, and you can measure from 0 around to 180 this side, or from 0 around to 180 this side, and that's to make sure that you can measure angles going in either direction. So your steps when you're measuring angles. So we've been asked to measure angle ABC, so that's the angle here. You're going to line up the vertex of that angle, point B, with the crosshair on your protractor. And you're going to line up the horizontal 0 to 180 line with one arm of the angle. These are the arms that make the angle. This is the vertex where the angle is. And the more accurately you line that up, the more accurately you'll measure your angle. So, the vertex is right on the crosshair, and the bottom arm of the angle is right along there. Now we could have lined up this one, vertex right on the crosshair, and the bottom line lined up. That would be fine. It's just a little harder to read that way. So it doesn't matter which arm you put along your horizontal, as long as that crosshair is on the vertex and the arm is lined up with that horizontal. Now, a problem that a lot of people have when they're reading an angle is they don't know which set of numbers to read from. You know, is this about 150 degrees or about 30 degrees? You read from where the 0 touches that arm that you just lined up on. So I'm using the inside set of numbers, not the outside set. We read around, that's 10, 20, but we haven't got quite to 30, so we follow our angle along to see how many of these little individual units there are, because that's 20. I reckon we've got 29 degrees. So you line up the crosshair, line up one of the arms on the 0 line, and go from the 0 around until you touch the other arm, and read your angle from there. It's pretty similar if we're asked to draw an angle. So this question says to draw a line AB and make a 35-degree angle at A. Now they didn't tell me how long they want AB to be, so I can make up my own length there. And that will be AB. It could have been AB or BA, it doesn't matter. I've just put it that way. And we want to construct a 35-degree angle at A. So we still have the same two steps to start with. It's at A, so A is the vertex of the angle. So we put our crosshair at A as exactly as we can and line up the horizontal bottom line along that arm of the angle. We work out which set of numbers we're using by which set has the 0 touching that first arm. It's the outside set. We want a 35-degree angle, so from 0 we go around to 35 and mark a point. Take your protractor away and join up that point and the vertex at A. And we've made a 35-degree angle. We could have made it AB the other way and made it there. the same steps would apply. You line up your crosshairs with the vertex, line up the arm you've got with the bottom line, go around to get the size of your angle and put a dot, and put in the other arm of your angle. So there are your two big skills when using a protractor.